Here is a tour of the lifts in Poole Town Centre and at the Dolphin shopping centre in Poole Town Centre. And now to the first lift, which is a generic lift outside the bus station. This is the lift at the Dolphin at the bus station in Poole. It's generic. Glass. And that's it. And now to the next lift, which is a glass Otis lift in the middle of the centre. This is the Otis glass lift at the Dolphin. Very slow. Here we are at 1, and we'll go back down. Very nice and modern this shopping centre is actually. Here we are back at ground. That's it. And now to Beals, which reminds me quite a bit of Debenhams. The lift here is a big Schindler.
Doors closing.
This is the lift at Beals department store at the Dolphin. It's a humongous Schindler.
First floor.
Huge, and it has the
Door
ALS.
opening.
That's the ALS voice. Go back down.
Doors closing.
And it has the associated lift services voice, which is very rare. Nice motor. Feels like an airport lift.
Ground floor.
That'll be it.
Doors opening.
And now into New Look, which has an eco-disc lift.
Going up. Doors closing.
This is the lift at New Look.
First
It's
floor.
eco-disc.
Doors opening. Going down.
Service doors. Go back down to
Floor
0.
0. Doors opening.
And now to Boots, which has a generic lift. A staff member has called the lift to the staff-only second floor. Let's go to the secret floor.
Going up. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up.
This is the lift at the boot. At the Dolphin, it's a generic. Mirror. Not in
Floor
condition
1.
at all.
Doors opening. Going up. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up.
What? This is a bit strange, but there.
Floor 2. Doors opening. Please mind the doors. Going down. Doors closing. Going down. Floor 1. Doors opening. Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ground floor. Doors opening. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Doors opening. Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
And now along to a hideaway car park lift, which is a really nice old Benny lift. This is a lift at the Dolphin in Poole. It's a Benny. Be modernised a bit. Smells of weed and graffiti. Just shows you what these back lifts are like.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
Go back down. Original motor as well, I've got a feeling. No mirror in this lift,
Ground.
just a metal. That'd be it.
Doors opening. Going up.
And now along to a generic lift which also goes up to the car park next to Sports Direct. This is the lift at Sports Direct. Generic. In very poor condition. Indicator's gone. Just a generic lift, isn't it? So what do you expect? It should open on this side. My camera does not like these lights very much. Go back down. Should open up these doors. So some reason it decided to open there for no apparent reason. Now I'll go back down to ground. That'll be it. And now to the next lift, which is an eco-disc lift in H&M. This is the eco-disc lift at H&M at the Dolphin. This used to be BHS years ago. Used to have 2 Otis lifts, but it's now 1 eco-disc lift. Here we are going to go back down, and guess what? Another mirror. Go back down, and that'll be it. And now onto the high street and into one of 2 Poundland. This looks like the newer one. It still has a bog standard lift though.
Going up. Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
This is the lift at Poundland.
Going up.
On the Dolphin on the Poole High Street, I should say. Yeah, this is generic lift at Poundland on Poole High Street. We've gone out of the Dolphin, we'll be back in there later if all the shops are still open, but it's getting quite late now, about
Floor
5:30.
1.
But anyway, I've got quite a few
Doors
lifts done.
open. Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Yeah, this lift is very rough.
Going
Considering that
down.
It looks new. And that'll be it.
Ground floor. Doors open. Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
And now onto the back streets of Poole Quay and to a big blue car park where there is a nice old Thyssen lift. It sounds angry. It mustn't like me then. This is the lift at a random car park. It's a generic. I'm not sure if I trust this lift. Look there.
Opening. Lift going up.
Yeah. Just go
Doors
to one
closing.
floor. God knows what type of lift this is. Original motor though, for certain. Yeah.
I floor.
I'm assuming I was on G.
Doors opening.
Go back down.
Doors closing.
Let's have a look. It's a ThyssenKrupp lift.
G floor.
That's it, hopefully.
Doors opening.
I've got to put the wrong floor. What a surprise. I'll just
Door
walk down the
closing.
stairs. And that's it. And now along to the Dolphin car park next to the bus depot, which also has a Benny lift.
Lift going up. Doors closing.
These are the Benny lifts at the
H.
Dolphin Shopping Centre.
Doors opening.
Yeah, the shopping centre's closed
Lift
now.
going down. Doors closing.
Just so happens that the shopping centre is actually the shopping centre car park is still open, but it appears
B.
that
Floor.
the
Doors opening.
that's it.